Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package, the black interiors package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got a backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well with mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated with the side view camera. We do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing. We have front recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior with floor mats. You got cup holders, a 12-volt. We got some outlets down here with 2 USB-Cs, 120. And of course, you can lift up seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, lights, spotlights, and auto stop, auto start all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 69 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel, chocolate free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have cup holders, storage. You have a collapsible gear shift, more storage here with outlets, leather wrap center console with tons of storage underneath. We have our rear locking diff, drive modes and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here with your park assist, and above me we do get a powered rear window opener. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone capabilities. We do get navigation with this vehicle, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, driving assist, Wi-Fi, all that fun. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your sync navigation and your settings, just your basic settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA45215, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.